Corvina is an Italian red wine grape variety that is the base constituent of the Valpolicella blend, so a blend of different grape varieties used in the area of Valpolicella in the northern part of Italy near the city of Verona. Corvina is used along other grape varieties such as the Corvinone Rondinella and other grape varieties to form what is called the Valpolicella blend to make the wines from Valpolicella DOC as well as the Amarone della Valpolicella, the Risciotto della Valpolicella or the Ripasso della Valpolicella. How do you go about pronouncing Corvina? Corvina. Corvina, or the typical Italian pronunciation Corvina. Corvina is also used to make the wines, the red wines of Bardolino, in a close-by appellation near the Valpolicella area. Corvina. I made an entire video on how to pronounce Amarone della Valpolicella and how Amarone wines are made as well, drying red grapes. If you want to learn more about this, here is the video about Amarone della Valpolicella. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Arrivederci. Ciao, ciao.